Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make southern peach cobbler with canned peaches. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need two 29-ounce cans of sliced peaches, drained. Also, grab 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, and 1 stick of unsalted butter. Don't forget a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. These simple items are the foundation for a truly delicious dessert. Now, let's prepare those peaches. After draining your two 29-ounce cans of peaches, place them in a medium bowl. Add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Stir everything gently to ensure the peaches are well coated. This simple step enhances their natural sweetness and adds a warm spice note, creating the perfect base for your cobbler. Next, we'll create the delicious cobbler topping. Melt 1 stick of unsalted butter directly in your 9x 13-inch baking dish. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Gradually add 1 cup of milk, mixing until the batter is smooth. Pour this batter evenly over the melted butter in the dish. Finally, it's time to bake your cobbler. Carefully spoon the sweetened peach mixture over the batter in the baking dish. Do not stir. Place it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 40 to 45 minutes, or until the topping is golden brown and bubbly. Let it cool slightly before serving. Enjoy your warm, homemade southern peach cobbler, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.